Hi, it's Deanna here. I'm just doing my reflection on week 8. Yay, I'm so excited, I can't even tell you. Been working really hard for this. And anyway, so one word to explain going into the social work field, I would say the word I came up with was perfect. The reason being is because I am scared about coming up into the future, obviously, about getting jobs and things like that. But being in doing the social work program came very easily, and it felt like the absolute right thing to do. And ever since I've been in it, it's been smooth sailing for the most part. So it's been a really good experience, and I would do it again if I had to, and with Brandman. So yeah, but it's also perfect for me because that's just the social work thing is who I am. You can help in so many different ways and so many different talents you can use. You know, your so many different talents to apply that to social work. Where I am in the level of developing skills is, I believe I'm proficient to mastery in some cases. So I'm really getting good at. I'm very good at finding resources and helping people out that way. Dealing with the clients themselves, going over their paperwork, just or intake stuff, and helping people with that. What I've been doing at the agency, I feel very proficient of my job in within my agency. And three things I would come up with for myself were I'm much more confident now than I was before. I feel like I know some stuff, but I'm also open to the fact that I don't know some stuff, and I'm totally okay with that. I feel secure in my decision to become a social worker. I'm also more familiar with the role of the social worker. There's so much that you can do that I was a little bit overwhelmed with, how would I fit into my agency and things like that. So learning what my role was within that was really eye opening and very very good to learn. And then the other thing I was exposed to that I really liked was working with a team. This team of people, particular people that I was working with, was ready, willing, and able to help and assist and teach. I mean, it so easily. They were just everybody was just forthcoming with being a team, and we all helped each other. We all bounced ideas off each other. It was a really great teamwork, which is something I don't see in my day-to-day job currently. So that's my video. Yay for week 8. Glad to be done and grateful. Thank you.